Hazemag is a product-focused engineering company, so we have core competences on our key products like impactors or aluminium with jigging equipment, and we are creating engineered solutions around those core products.
So how has Hazemag changed over the years?
I joined the group in a difficult time, especially the cement market for Hazemag has been on a downturn. The aluminium has been in some challenging areas as coal market has been really down, iron ore market has been really down. We had to restructure, we had to refocus the company, we had to re-establish what are the strengths of the company, and here again thinking about the core products of the company and then really step by step developing those core products and then around those core products good solutions.
And how have you grown the business?
I think we have been very, very fortunate over the last 2 to 3 years that we didn't really struggle too much to attract business. I think in particular for Hazemag it's probably slightly different, so very established markets, and here it's more to go back some steps and say, look, okay, what is the DNA of the company? Also here, what are the core products? And then also seeing what are the opportunities around the world. And strongest business for Hazemag at the moment, clearly service business, but also solutions what we are creating at the moment with our Chinese shareholder. We are seeing a huge demand in the aggregate business, and here also working on innovative solutions in those industries and really large aggregate plants jointly with a strong shareholder.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun, very exciting.
So why is Hazemag an exciting place to work?
I see Hazemag Aluminium as a group as a very dynamic group, and the opportunities we can create from the top with two very different shareholders. On one side with a classic Deutscher Mittelstand family office, and on the other hand with a Chinese government-owned or state-owned company, Sinoma. This is a very exciting combination, and that creates a lot of additional value for the company. So we can go into China and we have great opportunities to supply equipment into large projects, what state-owned companies are doing, where you normally would not have access. On the other hand, also, if our shareholder goes into North Africa and develop projects over there, we can be part of this. And on the end of the day, if we come to tricky areas like Nigeria, and we are sort of scared of doing EPC projects, then we can still develop plants, and the EPC part is being done by our shareholder.
Yeah.
This dynamic, and then also seeing the growth of the company, getting more people involved, and really being in a very conservative environment, on the other hand, acting like a startup, I think that creates a dynamic but also attracts people. That's where I see a huge advantage, or where I see also a great advantage for Hazemag,
Yeah.
for the people who are working here.
What's your employment strategy?
We get young people from university on board to educate them, to bring them to the next level, but on the end of the day we also try to keep people who are normally probably already retired, to keep them on board. I mean, the former shareholder of our mineral, Dr. Breuer, who is really an industry expert, is still around, and I've seen him today.
Yeah.
On the floor. So he's still being involved in developing those solutions, and he is extremely knowledgeable, but he also likes to share this knowledge with the young generation and help us to develop new experts for the industry.
So what's been the most important part of Hazemag's success?
It's purely the people, and I mean, if you're looking back at Bauma, for example, we had a joint booth between Aluminium and Hazemag, We had the guys from South Africa over from IMS, we had the guys over from North America, and the general feedback, what I got from all of them, they feel as one group, one team, and they really want to achieve something. So they have a dynamic, what they bring to the table, that they really want to push the company, they want to drive the company, they want to achieve something. And that's really, if you have a good team, if you find the right people to do this, I think at the end of the day you're also going to be successful.